without further ado, let's jump straight into the introduction. Next, we will be talking about FMA Act 1967, which is enacted in 1967 as Act 64. It was revised on the 1st of July 1974 to the Law of Malaysia Act 139. It is an act to provide for the control of factories with respect to matters relating to the safety, health, and welfare of a person and the registration and inspection of machinery. It has 6 parts, which is preliminary, which is from section 1 till section 9, and then we have safety, health, and welfare, which contains section 10 until section 25. And the third one is person in charge and certificates of competency, which has section 26 until section 30. The fourth one is notify of accident, dangerous occurrence, and dangerous diseases, which has section 31 till 33. The fifth one is notice of occupation of factory and registration and uses of machinery, which is section 34 until section 46. And the last one is general, which is section 47 until section 53.
This is just some of the control measures that can be taken care of. First is provide appropriate training, provide sufficient lighting, remain mindful of weather, establish a strong safety culture, maintaining good housekeeping program, moving the work to the ground level, ensure road surface are suitable for vehicle and workers, training and educate the employer about the operating procedure as well as other necessary workplace training, change the toxic material to the non-toxic material, signage and label, put a siren or an alarm, use a wireless cable, installing guardrail, safety and health rule for employee, keeping equipment well maintained, implement practice for safety site visit, limit the number of people or time at work. And for the last one is changing to newer equipment with less vibration exposure. Have you ever heard about the hierarchy of control? Hierarchy of control is a method of identifying and ranking safeguards to protect workers from hazard. They are arranged from the most to the least effective. We have elimination, substitution, engineering control, administrative control, and PPE. Elimination is to make sure the hazards are no longer exist. substitution means changing out material or process to reduce the hazard. Engineering control is to reduce exposure by preventing hazard from coming into contact with worker. Administrative control change the way work is done or give worker more information. PPE is to protect the worker.